Hello to everyone. Today I want to show you how to reset or how to make factory reset of your iPhone 7. So it's really very easy. Just unlock the phone. Finger doesn't working correctly. Okay, so you need to go to this icon. It's setting, as you can see here. So inside, and now you need to go to the general, and right here find the, you can see here transfer or reset iPhone. So we will choose together reset iPhone, and now you have here some options. One is get started. If you want to make a clone, if you have new iPhone, you can do this. And then you have here reset or erase all content and settings. So I would like to make this right here. And now the phone tell you that erasing will sign out of your Apple ID and remove your personal data. So this iPhone can be safely traded in or given away. The following items will be safely removed from this iPhone. So we agree with everything, and right now we can choose the continue. You need to write again your passcode. So let's okay, and message iCloud backup is off. This iPhone is not being backed up to iCloud. You can turn this on in-cloud settings, so we won't erase anyway.